first we're going to mount the radiator back on. Let's see. This, and this. Yep. We have to hook it in here. See? Then there is a screw there and there. Got these long ones. So put a little bit of grease onto it so they go better inside. Don't use that's torx T30. Tight, but not too tight. Up, this one, up. Okay, now we're going to mount it back on the beamer again. Let's see. It sits 3 points. There, there, and at the bottom. At the bottom. So, what are we first gonna do to make it slide in easy? Tiny bit of grease. So, there. Grease onto them. So they up, slide in easier. Over there also. Now, let's see. Wow, that was easy as Del. So, kijk, en dan, oké. Goed. Klik. Oké. So, this one. So, same on the other side. We've got this one over here. So, not too tight. This one tap, then. So, we're gonna do this. Careful. It has to be on the lower one. So, and then let's see over here. That's a good place. Up. Okay. And here was this one. It fell off. So, remember this one with a new copper washer. Let's see, otherwise you start to filling it, and then we suddenly have a problem, Houston. So, Yes. You have to slide it behind there. Then, if you look carefully, there is this mark and there is a mark over there. So, let's see. Hop. Perfectly in that tiny hole. Wow! Whoa! What? Perhaps now, yes. Okay, a bit up. Whoop. Okay. So, and up. Perfect. Then we go to this one. Same thing again. First, get that one up. It doesn't has a mark. Turn it like it was. So it was at this position. So that. Now, next thing we're gonna do on, and we need a new clamp with the black one. Up over here. Okay. So. Okay. A nice one. So, get the mouse through over there. Okay. So. Okay. Nice. Up. Now we go to the other side. This one's done, that one done. So let's see. Over here we got a coolant hose too. There is a notch over here and then this over there. So it has to slide in, up, easy. Then come. Well. Then we can take it or leave it. Gently wiggle it, place, and it was here before, if I'm right. Okay. Then we have two. One was for the van. And now carefully not to hurt the wire. Echt. All the way around. Click. Yes. This one. I think like this. Click. Okay. And then this one over here. over there, and then over here on the other side, over there, hop, hop, hop. So time to fill it with coolant. We're gonna fill her up. First, as usual, we're gonna clean the funnel. So also put a piece of paper in there. So now I know it's perfectly clean. BMW say it needs 2.9 liters of coolant. I have my coolant here. This is pentosyn, and I bought it as pure coolant, and I mixed it up myself with distillated water. Okay, see, almost there. We have to put the bike on the side stand, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay. So, up die nog steeds. Okay, now bit more. Okay, then okay, just up enough. So now, that goes very quick. See, a bit more. Just a bit more. Exactly. That's what I want. Strange construction. Oh. Bubbly, bubbly. Bubbly, bubbly. Okay. Now everything is perfectly. Now put this one on. Click Click. Then we're gonna start it up. Just, hey, needs to be over here. Yeah. Uh-oh. Let's see. Okay. Air bleeder screw. Air came out. Okay. Oh. Fire it up again. Whenever I put a bike on the side stand, I always use my handbrake. Watch. This is a rubber here, and it grabs the brake, so I can't push it off the side stand. Tip. Beep beep. This was my video about repairing the radiator of my son his BMW S1000R. The old mechanic fixed it, of course. Saved him about 500–600 euros, which is ridiculous anyway. I hope you liked my video, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. And if you have something to say or to ask, please put it in the comments below. And for now, Old Mechanic out.